Yay. Aduko tigalluartuutaqarpaat
Bendy and the Dark Revival.
Narua issingakanawikkumaassanaqsinnaluunnaasiunniartartiluquppungai situlluungilara naamassiartillugun narua qanupisoqassamaassanaqs nutaaksiissanalluallartippu.
Beautiful people run this world. If you can have brains or talent, you may just sneak through the gator. But with a pretty face, every door opens. The crowds bow to you. They ask your name. They want you to attend. They ask you to speak. A sicky voice with gorgeous lips is everyone's weak spot. I was reborn with my perfection stolen from me. To get it back, I'll rip this rotted world apart. Angels are beautiful. Angels are beautiful. Alice Angel.
Suortuspillerpaat taaga qanupisoqarnissa nalunartua misissungussaqassuuqas
Promise us peace. Must they bring us
Yaqlalerunneraq Majorpisari tingaluasaaringa Maria saaveqqarpi Taava qangaruissuartispilleriarakku attiingersateqqippara naluaqarnum pisoqassanersoq амманgamалартоқарпаллаангила арсимассоқутаимнаарникунгулоо тигусиннааваа кисиин Niartuo natamani 엄마 딜이 벅쳤다빠? 딜이 벅쳤신나는 가마로 봐. No, tässä ne doktor sao Jimmy bunga. ¿Qué pusieras? Terug sampai saya. Kalau udah selesai tambah ya. Klik. TikTok 뜨지는 카페 하나 보여 오중립 아참 맞다 신경 가서 이렇게 섞었어 Matos.
Dear Alice, I don't know if you will read these notes, but I'll keep leaving them for you. I hope someday you'll understand my words and the madness will fade from your mind. In this strange and dark place, we can find life and purpose. We are not left to just wander alone, craving beauty, power, and other meaningless things. Even the heart of someone feeling incomplete can discover joy. We're not lost. We're merely waiting to be found. We are so much alike, formed from the same mold. We're like sisters, you and me. I wished you comfort and the wisdom to let your heart melt info happiness. I won't give up trying to reach you before it's too late. A friend.
Music.
This music box could make a good distraction if I can fix it.
Oh. Ah. Let's enter. Music box 이거 찍고 Mala Beach. I'm a dead bitch. Engak tsakana ti wakser doktor. Understand.
They said he killed my lord. They said the demon fell. They said I was a false prophet, but I say my lord lives. But I say he will return. But I say you better watch your back, Mr. Wilson. Can I get an amen?
Yung mga ni yaksanyak. Diba? Ito kanyak, beta siya nang nakpisyon ni kanyak. Tanda ka matok house. Ti 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 tu 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 tu. Battery. Maski na. Kabaw kanina ko dami sa nga daw pa. Ito pa house. Hole. Mga pala takak sangot dahil kaya napisisinaw. 빠빠빠빠빠빠. 아하. Now. 띵이가 예쁘가. 왜 거꾸로 있지? 미션을 딱. 그렇군요. 빠라빠빠빠라빠 빰바라바밤 빰바라빠빠빠 빰바라빠빠빠라빠빠라빠빠빠. Pagkakasok bigas sama nila ako yung may kam. Ikanot ka ba? Nangkas na. Burukus.
That's all the pieces for the music box.
오지 뭐. 띠리띠띠. 나 무지가 까워졌고. Eroasun aina semmoisilla kaasupaatisi. Ani rammakkaan. Tiiri, tiiri, tiiri. Garçon này có năng quay vào đi. Sao này bạc sao là tao mới cho mình suy nghĩ đặc rồi. Này bạc sao ta yêu muốn ta mà yeah yeah yeah. Anong bisa ko sa ko ma.
Fixed. Now I just need to find a good place to put it.
Sumungo. Ayun na.
Here goes nothing.
Because na. Lagi. Namarisindao. Tama yung nanginawa sa minamasil. Kalatayang doksuwa ka sa siyo. You corners. Yeah. Tapos day.
There you are, thank goodness. Wilson's waiting for you downstairs in the laboratory when you're ready. But first, can I get your help with something? Normally, I wouldn't ask this of a guest, but with all that's happening, I can't sneak out and get things like I usually do. Do you think you could pop round to the farmer's market back in town and find me a few ingredients? We're running quite low in the kitchen, and I was hoping we could all celebrate tonight with a lovely supper. Won't take but a moment if you go by train. Up to you. No pressure.
Okay. Kaya yung takin na nakamungoy sinan. Ano nakimutwit ito? Sinangit ka matasyong Kusengaja. Ingasap ko kapilax. Wow. Ano ko, nasusukang reactor?
You made it. Good. Come inside, my dear. We have much to discuss, but make sure you're ready. Where we're going, there will be no return until we've accomplished our mission.
Okay.
Thank you for coming all this way. The Ink Demon is a formidable foe. To truly destroy such a monster, he must be dethroned, humiliated. For months now, I've been working on something that will do exactly that. Cast out the demon and put a new deity in his place. Stronger, more powerful, and controllable. Together, we just need to unleash our ultimate weapon. Come, let me show you my creation. Isn't he beautiful? Simple but elegant. A treasure. Powerful beyond anyone. The Ink Demon will fall, and we can have peace at last.
It could work, but it sounds risky. How will we control him? We don't want to repeat Joey's mistake.
No, we don't. All of the factors must be perfect. The right design, the right science, and the right soul.
What?
At last your purpose is revealed, Audrey. This is why you're here. With your soul inside him, my creation will live forever.
Stay away from me. You're insane.
Come now, Audrey. Part of you knew this was your path. Leave yourself behind and ascend.
I thought you said we needed to save your father. I thought you had a plan to send me home, to make everything right.
I lied. My father is beyond hope. Perhaps you know him. Nathan Arch, owner of Archgate, industrial genius, business tycoon. For years I've lived in his reaching shadow. He always had time for the grand creatives of the world, the doers, as he called them. He knew only the best, the biggest thinkers. How could his lowly son ever hope to compete with that? But now, thanks to you, I can. No need to struggle. My signal prevents you from using those devilish powers of yours. And more importantly, keeps the Ink Demon from getting in. It's time to die, Audrey, and live again as a god.
No, not this time.
Yeah. Jag blir då bjäll. Någon ska kall. Można się połączyć. 들어가서 예뻐요.
I decided to go for a walk.
Experiment.
I decided to go for a walk this morning. Took a little stroll down to the park. Enjoyed the warm sun for a while. Found a quiet bench. Even grabbed a hot dog. It's been ages since I've done that. Tessa would kill me if she knew I've been off my diet. When I got back to the office, I stopped by the animation department and said hello to the troops. My gosh, they're getting younger every day. Either that or I'm just getting older. It all made me realize time is moving on. The hard struggles don't seem as dire as they used to. Life has other value. I think I'll go home early today. Maybe I'll even pick up a hot dog for Tessa.
Hot dog. Dann no, puta du cielo. Nó là mình mà sống thực hiện những một là sự sinh hoạt. David Ariak chỗ, nên em có được bao giờ hơn is not boy, hơn is not no business. Hoặc là mình sẽ bye, till him the gosh, bye bye.